Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Alicia Lifestyle, and please don't forget to subscribe. If you're my returning subscriber, karibu tena na tena. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch our videos. And guys, as you can see, we are on the road again. We are on the road heading to where our second home is in Mwea, Kirinyaga County. And as usual, the whole family is here. Say hi.
Hi.
Behind there.
Hi.
How are you doing?
Hi.
Yeah. So guys, we are heading there. And before we go there, there are a few things we want to do in town. What will we be doing in town?
We are going to buy a few materials for the gate project, and also waterproofing agents for the repairs of the walls, because we are repairing portions of the walls of our house from where we have come from. So we are going to buy that plus some materials for the gates.
Yes, so that's what we are going to do there. And we also have a few projects that we are going to do in our Mwea home. What are some of those things? So do you want to talk about them, Mama? They'll see.
It's better for them to see.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's our.
We have a lot actually in Mwea. Most of the work will be done in Mwea. We'll continue with what I was doing a few months ago, finishing up, improving, and then we are starting new projects, so you'll be able to see them. Also, a lot of improvement actually. We really want to change the whole compound, the way the place looks. So a lot will be happening in the next 2 months.
Right, so we are very excited about those projects and those improvements. Yes, we want our homes to look good. We want them to look beautiful, because they are our home. It's where we stay, and we like to live in a good and a beautiful place.
If the moonlight could speak, it'd say to me, hold on tight and you'll be free. Harvest moonlight, take me home, where the wild winds freely roam. With every breath, for every smile, I'm chasing dreams that make life worthwhile. Road stretches ahead, calling me where dreams are led. Every mile a fresh new song, guiding me where I belong. Fiddle sings alive.
So guys, we are in the shop. These are the materials that we want to buy for the gates. For those who have watched our earlier videos, this is the material that we use for our gates, the one in Mwea. So you want to make another gate using the same material. So there are very many colors. There is this color, there is a darker one here, and there's a gray one. But I think we like this one, isn't it? Yeah, I think but you want us to do gray?
Brown.
So we'll take
The one
this.
that looks like wood.
Are they the same?
Yeah, they are the same. I think they have this one that looks like wood, and the gray one.
Oh, it's the same. So we are going to take this, and then we are also going to take some waterproofing material. So this is the waterproofing material that we are buying. This one is called is a Sika Top Seal 107. So this goes with this. These are premix of cement, sort of. So we are taking one set. This is for our house because our house, the lower part of the wall, the plaster is coming out. So we want to apply this to take care of the humidity that is ruining that place. So these are the two things we are picking from this shop. Those materials, they are called WPC panels, and we are going to take this waterproofing material.
Where I belong, fiddle sings a lively tune, banjo hums beneath the moon, walking through the endless space, feeling hope in every place. No chains to hold me, no ties to bind, just the freedom in my mind. Open road, take me home, where the wild winds freely roam, with every breath, with every smile.
So guys, we are finally in Mwea. We are just like 30 seconds away from our home. Yay!
Yay!
We are in Mwea, guys. So let's go there and give you the updates.
And the driver who is getting us there is none other
Than Alicia Lifestyle. Yeah.
Yeah, so we thank God that we had a safe journey. The road wasn't bad actually, the road was okay. And we were able to drive without any interruptions, no traffic jam. Yeah, so we are home.
You can show them.
And we got... So, yeah. So this is our home, guys, and you see those people working there. This is a new project that we are starting here. So we are doing a perimeter wall, not the entire place, but this section here. Yeah.
Hey, it's a show. Who is that? Huh? Okay. So guys, we are home, and I just want to give you some updates about whatever we did the last time we were here. And one of those things was these flower beds. We planted these plants and some flowers. You can see they are doing well. These ones just need pruning, cutting this, the ones that have dried like this, so that other flowers can grow. So the flower beds look good. Even this other one here. There's this flower bed also, it's also doing well. I'm happy with the plants and flowers so far. They've been watering the plants so they don't look like they lack anything. So now let's go show you the tank that we dug. The last time we left, the last time we were here, it had not rained, so it had no water. But right now it's full like this. So guys, this is the underground tank. We collected rainwater, and right now it's full. It's full. Let me try opening and just see where the level of water is. So the tank is full.
Yeah, so this tank holds about 60,000 liters. I think they are about 60 or 70,000 liters. So we are collecting from this roof and the roof from my mom's house. And then by the time we left, we had not made this connection. So initially, this is a well here. So this well has been here since I think 1977 there, or 75, I can't remember, but it's that old. So this is the one that has been serving the whole homestead since then. And this is the pipe that takes water from the well, comes to the pump draws water from the well, and this pumps into the 3 houses that are here. So what we did is this tank that we elevated is for rainwater only. So this pipe you are seeing here comes to this pump here, and this pump fills the tank up there automatically. I think now it's already full. Oh, there's no water. Maybe the valve there up there is closed. Close this valve here. Good. June, you are chili by. It's so high up here. All right. So the valve there was closed. That's why the water was not coming out. So let's open the valve and see the tap now, not the valve. The valve is open, so let's open. So why we left it like this is so the children don't climb. Yeah, that's why it was left at that level. It's a bit funny, but it was safety. All right. We have water there. Right. So guys, we had dug all these areas. We had dug when laying the pipe for the rainwater. All these things have been dug. So now you can see the grass has grown. You can't even tell where we had dug. Yeah.
So guys, now we want to settle in, and I want to sign out. See you in the next one. Bye.